I'm making a video about this KP Mini taillight or turn signal integration mod that I see you guys talking about. Anyway, what I'm seeing on the KP Mini site is that you guys are using these LEDs in the taillight housing as turn signals. On my bike, those are used for the taillight, so I don't understand how you guys are doing this using the orange and blue wire. That would be, you know, this wire. You got the green for ground or earth, whatever you want to call it. And you got orange for this side turn signal, and you got light blue for this side turn signal. Those are the like colors on the bike. On the bike side of it, it's orange and blue. But if I'm understanding what you guys are doing, you guys are taking these off these center boards. You know, jump into the blue there, or jump into the orange. You know, somewhere, wherever you guys decide to. And then you're turning these into turn signals using those two wires. And I don't understand how you guys are doing that without losing your tail light. Anyway, I don't know if this is what you guys are doing. You guys might be doing what I'm about to do. But these are LEDs also. So you got this board right here. And then there's a little hole here. There's a screw that goes in that hole. There's an LED light that shines through that square right there. Likewise, over here on the other side of the light, you know, if you look inside, those LEDs light up this red channel. And then, sorry, I don't YouTube or anything, but so what I'm going to try to do, instead of using this orange wire and taking that off the circuit board, what I'm going to go ahead and do, instead of using this, some of you might already be doing this, I don't know, unless anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these two LEDs instead, and I'm just going to have this illuminated. You know, I've already disconnected this one side. Probably won't be able to do this with one hand, so try it though. Put that to the negative of the battery, green. I'm going to take this black wire that I have for these two LED lights. This black wire, that is the positive. So I'm going to take this black wire and I'm going to hook it in to the positive from the turn signal for, I think that would be the left side turn signal. Let's see. When I touch those, when I light those up, I've separated these circuits from that circuit board. When you get this, all these lights, these two lights, and this board, so you know you've got all these LEDs, those are all running lights. So you know that whole thing is going to be a running light. Hopefully I'm explaining this. So when I'm done, just this is going to be the running light, and then this outer rim is going to be the turn signals. Hope that it explains what I'm trying to do. If I'm confused about what you guys are doing, if you guys are doing something with these orange and blue wires where you're keeping your running lights going, not your running lights specific, not your brake light, let me know. And if you did it that way and you don't have a taillight, Maybe do it this way.